Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you rewatch Spotify Wrapped on 2024. So to rewatch Spotify Wrapped on 2024, at first just launch your Spotify app. Now after going to Spotify Wrapped, in the bottom second option, you can see there is a search bar. Just click on this search option, and after clicking on it, in the top search bar, just search for Spotify Wrapped. Here you can see there is a two option, Spotify Wrapped 2023 and 2024. I am searching for 2023, and after searching for it, here you can see Spotify Wrapped 2023 playlist. Just click on it, and you can just hear all of the songs that in the playlist, or you can just choose it from here. So guys, that's how you can rewatch Spotify Wrapped 2024. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.